Hey mateys, I'm at round one, bowling and amusements at the Roseville Galleria in Roseville, California. That's in Northern California. Assalamu alaikum. Right, open 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. every day. No food or drinks outside from outside allowed. They have food here. Some kind of promo cards. When you reload your round one game card. Alright, I can do that. By the way, I won't be talking much here because it's going to be very loud. Very loud. Get your cards here. $2. And it's 40 credits here. Yes, 82 credits for 20 bucks. Oh, I've never seen this one. Oh, Japanese too. Wow. These are cool. Arr. Some unique machines here. Somebody let the plushie.
Place your emblem on the stamp.
I've never seen this one. Running game. Mario Sonic Olympic Games Arcade Edition. Alright, Tokyo Olympics, right?
Naruto emblem, battle!
I think I'll call it whenever I see anything that really stands out I haven't seen before. Unlimited price, race flippers. This is kind of weird system here for their game cards, and you can also concede cards as well, which is that work here, which is unique. I've not seen this one or this one. Okay, right. Possibly a Frenzy, not seen this one either. It's a bit of Frenzy, that's familiar. Let's go Island. Not seen that one before. Go to the Fancy Games. Sonic All Stars Air Hockey. Play that one. Restroom if you need it. Buenas noches, amiguito. Oh, this is adorable. I love these little mini machines. I don't think I'm going to go and show you all these. It's pretty nice. Pirates. Yar. Let's go on. Jurassic Park Arcade. Ghostbusters. Oh, cute. Alright, what's one is this here? I wonder if you just want to ask me a second version of this. Looks like Roseville. Oh, air hockey. Throw me contra burst. Oh, I've not seen this one either. Shooting game. For tickets. Maximum tune 40 plus. Arcade GP DX. Oh, this one I've covered quite a bit. Very old. Nitro trucks. We'll get to the restaurant soon enough. Metal GP. There's another one. Superbox 3. That one more. Ticket Monster. I might as well go look through all the arcade machines first. Super Wing. Godzilla Kaiju. Seen this elsewhere. Fast and Furious Arcade. Some kind of basketball game. Beanbag toss. Running these out there. Some kind of race old game. Tons of tickets. Masters. So a lot of these you'll see at other places. I don't know who's supposed to win these. Hello. Oh, some nice bronzes in here.